All right. So we are currently live. Now this one is I'm going to pull it however long it takes to keep you safe. Okay. So we are currently right now tracking one tornado warning that's in Illinois. That's been radar indicated. The one for Iowa, that's been allowed to expire. So it looks like the part of the storm that's concerning is right over Raton. So if you're in this area, obviously you have to be in your safe spots. We'll go to some severe thunderstorm warnings. We'll start with Texas here with 2-inch hail. So, yeah. So the dangerous part of the storm looks to be over. The thing that's irritating, it looks like the National Weather Service doesn't update their radars, looks like, which can be pretty annoying. So, yeah, I can't get in that deep into the storm to show you exactly where it is. Okay. That's extremely annoying. We'll go to the one in Kentucky. I think it updates like every 5 minutes or something. So part of the storm looks like beginning off Harvey, part of going into South Marshall, might clip South Marshall. There's a cell here by Brewers. And then we have Arkansas. Okay, so if I'm saying this right, Waba Seska. I think I'm saying that right. If not, I apologize. We'll go to okay, so we should go to Tennessee. We do have a severe weather event. If you're at the Taylor concert, then um, okay. So right now it looks like a part of the storm is over Yellow Creek. This is like a cluster of thunderstorms that look pretty intense. going off I-70 towards Liberty, and then Ruskin, Yellow Creek. Okay, let's go back to Texas and see if they actually updated their maps. Okay, it looks like they haven't. Yeah. So if you're right around here, which is I-90 towards Iran, it can't get any closer because it won't update. So I don't know what the heck is going on with the Fort Worth weather office. Yeah, so it's extremely annoying. So it's right around I-90. So we'll go to you have a tornado possible in McDonough County, so we'll go to this one. This area right here around Raton, Youngstown, Turahety, towards Interstate 94, towards Roseville, Stronghurst, you could get impacted. But this is the area of concern, which is right here in this area. So yeah, the main area of concern currently is right around Raton. So we got that right around Raton. That's an area of concern because it is a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible. So it is likely a catastrophic, or it's likely a red alert severe thunderstorm warning for McDonough County. And then we'll go to the one in Jones, who has almost baseball size hail. So this is Texas has been hit extremely. And again, they haven't updated their radars. I mean, the radars, then it's very annoying that they don't update. So it's kind of hard to tell you exactly where looks like the purple, it's right by Roby. So if you are in the Roby area, I would be in your safe spots as because I think this is a warning that is an area of concern. So yeah, right here around Roby, that's the area of concern. So if you're in this area, you have to be in your safe spot. Now we have a tornado possible warning. Iowa, let's go to that. So area of concern looks to be right around Wilton, heading for Durant. So yeah, if you're in the Wilton area, you have to be near safe spot. This is a critical severe thunderstorm warning because of the possible tornado. We also have winds in excess of 70 miles per hour and golf ball size hail. So definitely, if you are in your safe spot, if you may have one in Mississippi, so let's go to that one. So it's Scotland and Pickens. So you're in the Scotland area, probably 60 mile per hour wind gust. We'll go to South Dakota now, because I said I would cover the Midwest and Central Plains. So right now, the area of concern looks to be right here around Bend, in Bend, South Dakota. Pretty nasty storm heading for Viewfield. So yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for that. Okay, so So we'll go to the next one. We'll go to this one here. This is in Illinois. Let's go to Tech, Kansas. I want to forget about you. Okay, so the dangerous part of the storm is over Dresden. Looks like heading for, okay, County Road 503. This is the area of concern right here in this area. Okay, so we have okay, so we have okay, so this one is right, the storm is right on Swan Creek. Looks like County Highway 10, County Highway 13. So yeah, I don't exactly know all the areas of concern if they do sound sirens around there, but I would think this part area would have your sirens going off. And Montana again is in on the action. We had a severe thunderstorm warning for them earlier. So yeah, Montana joining in on the action here. So, you know, we don't want to be alone. Not that that's a good thing, but still. I think this tornado warning may be allowed to expire. Because it's only radar indicated. And I don't see any, there's not a tornado has not touched down. So that's a good thing. It appears we don't have a tornado touchdown. We'll go from here to Illinois. Yeah, Illinois and Iowa, Davenport, right around Cleveland, LeClaire, Princeton, Hillsdale. So one big area of concern right now is around, looks like Osborne. Yeah, so area of concern, right, definitely right now is around Osborne. So that's an area of concern. That has a severe thunderstorm warning with it. Now we'll go to Arkansas. Okay, so this part of the storm looks like to be near Stuttgart. I don't know if I said that correctly. Stuttgart. I'm going back. We'll go to North Carolina now. Okay, this one doesn't look as intense, except this cell right here that's around Gretton. Otherwise, not really much in the way of severe weather for you in North Carolina. We'll go to the one in Kentucky. Ooh, geez. So yeah, the area of concern is right at Interstate 41, heading towards Pembroke. Okay, so this area, this was a severe thunderstorm warning. It looks like they've extended it over this way, but this is the area of concern right around Pembroke Road. So if you're in the Pembroke area, seek shelter. Now we'll go to the one over here. Oh, geez. Okay, so we have, looks like this going over Shiloh right now. Heading for Van Cleve. Now if I can get in here, tell you some roads here. Looks like Interstate 464. Heading for Shiloh, Alma Road, Old Shiloh Road, Duncan Trail. Looks like part of this, Armo Shiloh Road. So yeah, if you're in the Shiloh area, I would get into a safe place or just stay inside until the storm passes. Mostly this is all like 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, which is, and hail in about 1 inch, which is about half dollar size or quarter size. Okay, we have a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, this area of concern right here is in Washington. And then we have a severe thunderstorm warning for, looks like, not what I wanted you to do. Okay, select tornado. I think the tornado warning for Illinois might expire at some point because it looks like that storm might be weakening. We'll go right here to Montgomery County. Okay, so Carlinville, and then another cell right around Bennett, and then another one right around Butler County. So Litchfield, you could get in on the action, looks like. So yeah, we have this currently. That's then we have Gillespie right here, Mount Olive, Wilsonville, Interstate 55. So we have a pretty strong, severe storm right now. It looks like in southern Illinois. It's very strong. In fact, I'm going to show right now here on Twitter. Just a second. We'll go to that. We'll head for Mississippi right now. Okay, so the most dangerous part of the storm looks like heading towards Thompsonville. Possibly Crystal Springs, you could get on the action. But this is the area of concern right now around Thompsonville on Tank Road towards Interstate 27. So you are definitely under a severe thunderstorm warning, 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. And then we have area of concern with this one around Kansas. Don't worry, Nebraska, you'll get on the action too. So we have Lucerne. Okay, so we have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Roselawn, McRona, and Grant Park. So New Amarillo, you are in on this storm. Holy cow. I think this is the hail signature, it looks like. Let's go. Yeah. So some pretty large hail right now over this area. So we do have a new severe thunderstorm warning, so let's go take a look at that. Okay, so the main area of concern looks to be right around Mummis, heading for Ward, Artham. This is Indiana right around here. Well, we got Nebraska now in on the action. So Nebraska's now in on the action. We have a pretty concerning cell right here over Alma, heading towards Noctur, Lebanon. So we'll go 14 frames here. Let's see. You can see so yeah, we have, looks like, sorry, okay, so the main area of concern, let's go. So it looks like the main area of concern is right around New Armlow. And then, yeah, New Armlow. And then, so that's the area of concern. For some reason, my computer doesn't want to zoom in on it. But this is the area of concern right here. East-northeast at 26 miles per hour. Okay, this is a tornado warning. Again, I believe for Illinois, so. Yes. So another tornado warning, replacing the last one. And the most dangerous part of the storm looks to be over Youngstown. So if you're in the Youngstown area, you have to be in your safe spots. In fact, I'll zoom in here. So the main area of concern is right here around Youngstown and Walnut Grove. So if you are in that area, please be in your safe spots. So yeah, we do have, this is a radar indicated tornado, which means it has not touched down. Hopefully it doesn't touch down. Okay, so the other one, that one has been allowed to expire. We'll go to this one here. Okay, so we're going to focus here on Osborne. So if you're on First Avenue, Osborne right now is the area of concern. Heading towards Dayton and then Cleveland. Because this is a huge severe thunderstorm warning. Davenport is included in this, Elridge, Princeton, Riverdale, Osborne, Hillsdale, Spring Hill, Interstate 92, 88, 80. So we do have, so yeah, this is definitely a huge thunderstorm right now over the Iowa area. And then we have another one, it looks like over Hoop Pole. There's a small cell right around Hoop Pole heading towards Thomas. Go to Kentucky because I don't want to forget about you folks. So yeah, this is going to be a long, long night. We'll probably be on, I would say, about 8 or 9 hours. Probably. So yeah, we are definitely going to have a long night here, folks. So yeah, it's this is the areas that we could see a lot of severe thunderstorms, mostly in the Midwest, part of the Central Plains. The Dakotas could get in on it. Yes, I mean North and South Dakota. South Dakota has already been issued a severe thunderstorm warning. I think that one might be allowed to expire. Okay, so it did expire at 5:45. So whether this app is not updating like it's supposed to, if that is, I'm sorry about that. App's not updating the way it's supposed to. And then we have this one around Eliza. This is not updating the way I wanted to, actually, which sucks. So anyway, thank you.